Hello everyone, it's your Options Guy here. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. What I do here is I showcase my portfolio, my options that I'm doing, and I explain which options I picked and why I picked them. So in today's video, what we're going to talk about is PLTR and how it reacted in the morning, the news that came out, and what's going on right now. So let's get into the video. So as you can see here, my overall portfolio is still above 100K. It's still above 100%. And this is all within this year. Started within March, in the March dip. And as of right now, for today, PLTR is actually kind of going up and down, but it's moreover going up in the green side, so which is good. So let's go down here. So let's take a look at PLTR first. So what happened in the morning with PLTR was that I don't know if you guys were watching, but in the pre-market it was actually down a lot. It was somewhere around 2470, I think. That was probably like the lowest. But so as of right now, if you don't already know, with the whole UK news and their lockdowns and everything going on in Europe with their new COVID strain, it caused kind of like half the market to crash, most of the market to crash. And it seemed like PLTR was gonna dip probably to like the 24 range at the lowest, maybe. Who knows? It could have gone even lower. However, at 4 a.m. my time, news came out that they didn't get a new contract, but they basically like renewed a contract that they already had with like the U.S. Army, and it came out to $114 million. So with that news, it basically shot up the stock up to 27 actually, like at the high, and then it came crashing down. It seemed like it was like going to go back down and be like another red day. And I know the bulls were like, oh man, another red day, what's going on? We've been waiting for a green day, waiting for the push to come up, and it seems like it's actually happening right now. So what I did in the morning was I saw that PLTR was going down after its initial push, and then it started crashing down. And then what I did was I sold some calls at 28.50 strike price for this week expiration, and then I actually closed them out, cashed out about, let's see over here. If we look at my history here, so if you can see right here on December 21st, right here, yeah. So the 2850 call, I got 1,600. And then up here, I closed it out and I bought it back for 918. So I think it was like $682 in premium that I made in the morning. And then I reopened another one at the very, like this one up here, for $28 because it seemed like it was going down. It didn't seem like it was going to reach 28 this week, based on what I was seeing. So that's another 1,400 in potential premium. If I sell at 28, that's not, I'm okay with that. Even though my actual entry price is at 28.30, so I would be losing a little bit of money there, but I've already made so much in premium. I think it's gonna be over 20,000 this with this week. Not 20,000 this week, but over the past 3 weeks, it's accumulated to almost 20,000 in premium just for PLTR. So as you can see, I'm all in on PLTR. This is portfolio diversity is 82%, but I'm actually all in. I'm using some margin on some these calls right here. So I bought about 30 calls on my last video on Friday, and normally I don't buy calls. I just sell options, sell calls and puts, which is what I've been doing, which is what I did over here with the 25 put, also expiring this week. I chose 25 because I don't think it's gonna break 25. 25 has been a pretty good support. Actually, 25.50 has been a pretty good support. So that's why I don't think it's gonna break 25, especially given the contract news and everything. PLTR is actually not doing that bad compared to other stocks here. They kind of like all took a downturn with the whole news and everything. So if you look here, Spy is down a little bit. It's coming back up, but it's down. There's some other ones like Apple are down. It's kind of like a little bit of like half and half. Some of them are coming back up, but a lot of these were like red, like hardcore red, in the morning. So yeah, so I'm 100% invested in PLTR. I Before PLTR, I was actually 100% invested with Tesla for like the longest time. I was playing Tesla. I I got out of Tesla at 572 because I mean Tesla's like crazy. Like I'm a big bull of Tesla, but I didn't expect it to go up this high. And then I wanted to get back in, preferably after S&P, maybe a couple weeks after S&P, just to see where it settles. But as of right now, I see a lot of potential in PLTR, which is why I'm in PLTR. And just to hedge my position, I'm selling calls and puts where I believe it won't hit. But the 28 call might hit this Friday. Who knows? But yeah, so I'm pretty much collecting premium on the way while I have this negative 7,000 right now in my shares overall. But it's only negative 7,000 because I'm only down really like less than $2. My average cost is 28.30. So once PLTR goes to 28.30, this won't be negative anymore. So it's only $2 difference really. And I feel pretty bullish on this, so that's not too bad of a hit. If anything, I mean, I would lose if I were to sell right now, but why would I sell right now? Also, PLTR is having a big event on January 26th, so that's a potential catalyst up until then. So who knows, maybe next week or the week after we might break all-time highs. Sorry about that, it's my alarm. Anyways, so yeah, so the Bears kind of like got destroyed today. It seemed like the Bears were gonna win big in the morning, up until the contract news came out, and they pretty much got destroyed now. And then it seemed like they were gonna come back here around let's see, kind of like in the morning. It still seemed like the Bears were winning, but then things took the turn, and now the Bulls are up, and I feel like probably what I'm predicting by the end of this week will depends on the trend, but if this trend keeps up, I can definitely see 28, maybe 28.50. I don't see us pushing more than 28.50 this week unless some other PR news comes out, or unless some overall news comes out that pushes up the market, but that's what I'm predicting. Anyways, so that's it for now. Please subscribe if you want to keep following me in my daily videos. I make the daily videos Monday through Friday, and I just showcase my option plays and what's going on with my portfolio, even on if it's red or green, doesn't matter. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing and how I'm building up this portfolio. I've managed to get it up to over 100K, and I believe I have a really good strategy with the option wheel. So I wanted to show you guys, pretty much why I created the channel, because I wanted to show you guys how it works. And even though like your stock that you're playing with is going down, you can still make money, selling some calls here and there, or selling some puts, selling some options in general. But selling, you make most of the money by selling versus buying. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys how it works and what I'm doing. And yeah, so give a like, please like this video, so it really helps my channel. And then also subscribe if you want to keep following me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.